Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to learn 50 American slang words, the kind of English people actually use in daily life. Some of these are fun, some are casual, and some are very common in conversation. So just relax, listen carefully, and let's learn them together. All right, let's start. Lit. If something is lit, it means it's really exciting or fun. Example: that party was lit last night. Chill. Chill means relax or calm. Example: let's just chill at home tonight. Ghost. To ghost, someone means to suddenly stop replying or talking to them. Example: he ghosted me after 2 days. Savage. Savage means very bold, harsh, or brutally honest. Example: that reply was savage. Flex. To flex means to show off. Example: he's always flexing his new shoes. No cap. No cap means no lie, I'm serious. Example: this burger is amazing, no cap. Cap. Cap means a lie. Example: that's cap, I know that didn't happen. Broke. If you're broke, you don't have money. Example: I can't go out today, I'm broke. Hang out. To hang out means to spend time together casually. Example: we usually hang out on weekends. Crash. To crash means to go to sleep quickly because you're tired. Example: I'm so tired, I'm going to crash. Hit me up. Hit me up means contact me later. Example: hit me up when you get home. Low key. Low key means a little or secretly. Example: I low key want to stay home today. High key. High key means very or openly. Example: I high key love this song. Salty. If someone is salty, they're annoyed or upset. Example: he's still salty about losing the game. Bet. Bet means okay, sure, agreed. Example: you want to meet at 7? Bet. Dope. Dope means really cool or very good. Example: that jacket looks dope. Wasted. Wasted means very drunk. Example: he was wasted at the party. Shady. Shady means suspicious or not trustworthy. Example: that offer sounds shady. Extra. If someone is extra, they're acting too dramatic or doing too much. Example: you're being extra right now. Pull up. To pull up means to arrive somewhere. Example: pull up to my place later. All right, let's keep going. Vibe. A vibe is the feeling or mood of a person, place, or situation. Example: this cafe has a really nice vibe. Catch up. To catch up means to talk after not seeing someone for some time. Example: we should catch up this weekend. Bail. To bail means to leave suddenly or cancel. Example: sorry, I have to bail early. Blow up. To blow up means to become very popular very fast. Example: her video blew up overnight. Hangry. Hangry means angry because you're hungry. Example: I need food now, I'm getting hangry. Go off. To go off means to speak strongly or with a lot of emotion. Example: she really went off during the meeting. Clutch. Clutch means very useful at the perfect moment. Example: thanks for helping me, that was clutch. Sketchy. Sketchy means suspicious or unsafe. Example: that street looks sketchy at night. Rip-off. A rip-off is something unfairly expensive. Example: $20 for that? That's a rip-off. Crash at. To crash at someone's place means to sleep there for the night. Example: can I crash at your place tonight? Shoot your shot. To shoot your shot means take a chance, especially in love or opportunity. Example: if you like her, just shoot your shot. Take a rain check. To take a rain check means to do something later instead. Example: I'm busy today. Can we take a rain check? Call it a day. To call it a day means to stop working for now. Example: we've done enough. Let's call it a day. In no time. In no time means very quickly. Example, keep practicing and you'll improve in no time. My bad. My bad means my mistake. Example, my bad, I sent it to the wrong person. Big deal. A big deal is something important. Example, getting that job was a big deal for him. No worries. No worries means it's okay, don't worry about it. Example, sorry I'm late. No worries. Out of nowhere. Out of nowhere means suddenly and unexpectedly. Example, it started raining out of nowhere. Give me a sec. Give me a sec means wait a moment. Example, give me a sec, I'm almost ready. I'm down. I'm down means I agree or I'm interested. Example, you want tacos? Yeah, I'm down. Not my thing. Not my thing means I don't really like it. Example, horror movies are not my thing. That's on me. That's on me means it's my responsibility or my fault. Example, I forgot to call you. That's on me. Take it easy. Take it easy means relax or sometimes goodbye. Example, all right, take it easy, see you tomorrow. What's up? What's up is a casual way to say hello. Example, hey, what's up? I'm good. I'm good can mean I'm fine or no thank you. Example, do you want more food? No, I'm good. Kinda. Kinda means kind of or a little. Example, I'm kinda tired today. Figure out. To figure out means to understand or solve something. Example, don't worry, you'll figure it out. Run into. To run into someone means to meet them unexpectedly. Example, I ran into my teacher at the store. Make sense. To make sense means to be understandable. Example, now it makes sense. Hold on. Hold on means wait. Example, hold on, I'll be right back. Now, let's do 10 more, so you get a full 50. Bummed. Bummed means disappointed or sad. Example, I was really bummed when the game got canceled. Cool with that. If you're cool with that, you're okay with it. Example, I'm cool with that plan. Freak out. To freak out means to get very nervous or emotional. Example, don't freak out, we still have time. Lame. Lame means boring or disappointing. Example, that movie was kind of lame. Mess up. To mess up means to make a mistake. Example, I messed up on the last question. Show up. To show up means to arrive or be present. Example, thanks for showing up for me. Weird. Weird means strange or unusual. Example, that was a weird conversation. Creepy. Creepy means scary in an uncomfortable way. Example, that house looks creepy at night. Flaky. If someone is flaky, they cancel a lot or are unreliable. Example, I don't make plans with him anymore. He's too flaky. Chill out. Chill out means calm down. Example, chill out, it's not that serious. All right, that was a lot, but this is how natural English really sounds. Don't try to memorize all 50 at once. Just take a few, use them in your own sentences, and little by little, they'll start to feel natural. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.